Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So, and June 21, can they will moving upward? Can they will wake up? What's the price prediction? What's the technical analysis? What's the opinion and why they fails down? Absolutely, I will tell you everything in this video, but you need to watch this brand video. Absolutely, this video is going to be very branded for all holder of Stellar XLM because you know, my brother, and the current condition is going to be very good because you can say, my friend, this number from last 7 days is going to be very bad now. And last 7 days, my friend, this coin is completely fails down minus 7.28%, and last 24 hours, as you can see, my friends. So this chart is going to be showing, my brothers, to this coin is in the profit now. So why this coin is a profit now? 2.4% the price is increased now, so it's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances to they will wake up and go in the moon now. Just in only if you can see, my friend, in the last 1 hour chart, so last 1 hour 1.9% the price is increased now. So I'm so happy to see this. I'm so excited, my friends, to see this. Congratulations for all holder. If you can see, my friend, in the last 24 hours, so it's mean, my brothers, to in the last 24 hours this coin is also in the profit. But I know, my brothers, to upcoming time, my friends, they will also moving upward more than my friend more. So this time you can see, my brother, especially this coin fails down in the start of this week, and as you can see, my friend, they will wake up, they will take again jump, and absolutely, my friend, you can see here they will take jump continuously, my friend, especially in last 24 hours. Sorry, this is last 24-hour chart. So it's mean, my brothers, so this coin is going to be profit now. And remember, to after fails they take a jump. So therefore I know, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances that they will wake up and go in the moon now. So why are you waiting, my brothers? Just in only you need to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the Stellar XLM price will be increases now just in only at the end of month. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly holders, Stellar XLM will wake up tomorrow also. So I know, my brothers, especially because in last 24 hours this coin is also wake up. So I am 100% sure I will give you guarantee to upcoming time they also moving up for now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.